a rumor that was pretty well acknowledged to be true. Joey Savagty obviously left Triumph because they're not going to be running a 450 next year in 2025. So he'd either one, not race SX again, or just who knows, just the weird thing, he'd be stuck out again. So the rumor was he was going to Firepower Honda, and that is true. Obviously, this is him riding a red bike, which is a Honda, and apparently it's a 2-year deal as far as I'm reading for both WSX and uh, SMX or Supercross, whatever you want to call it. No, maybe it's a 1-year deal. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me if I'm wrong about which one it is, one or two. But I mean, good for him. Obviously, the last year had probably kind of be annoying getting on a factory ride, then finding out you're not going to be able to race 250s, the only bike that they have, being stuck all year long, just kind of sitting around doing nothing, and then motocross didn't go very well. Obviously, who knows? I mean, if he had stuck with it, he wouldn't be able to race SMX or S Supercross next year, so he'd sit out again, then only have motocross, and it's just kind of one of those things. It's like, how long do you really want to wait for a bike to be developed? I mean, obviously they're showing off the 450. I think it's next month or this month, and so they already have one, or like they're coming out with one. But if they're not going to have it for next year, how long do you sit on a bike that you can't race and just kind of train and only run what 1/3 of the season now? So hopefully he moves over there and does well. Obviously he'll be on it for WSX and then training for next year. So hopefully it's well. Hopefully he does well. Hopefully it fits him and everything's good. And I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think of this? Should he stay to Triumph and just rain it out, or is it good to move over here and just get racing while you still can? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.